This is the new Mercedes-AMG C43 4MATIC with electric exhaust gas turbocharger and 48-volt electrical system. With technology derived directly from Formula One, the latest generation of the Mercedes-AMG C43 4MATIC sets new standards for innovative drive solutions both as a saloon and as an estate. Following its premiere in the Mercedes-AMG SL43, the AMG 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, the world's first series production unit to feature an electric exhaust gas turbocharger, is now also being used in the C-Class. The new form of turbocharging guarantees particularly spontaneous response across the entire rev range and thus offers an even more dynamic driving experience. The turbocharger is operated via the 48-volt electrical system, which also feeds the belt-driven starter generator, RSG. In the Mercedes-AMG C43 4MATIC, the unit produces 300 kilowatts, 408 horsepower, and, in certain driving situations, is able to call upon a brief additional boost of 10 kilowatts, 14 horsepower, from the RSG. The new turbocharging system and the 48-volt onboard electrical system not only contribute to the outstanding driving dynamics of the C43 4MATIC, but also improve its efficiency. We think there is huge potential lies in electrified combustion engines. At the heart of the new Mercedes-AMG C43 4MATIC is the AMG 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, which combines innovative technologies and high performance with exemplary efficiency. At the same time, it remains true to a tradition typical of the brand. Not only was it developed entirely at the company's site in Affalterbach, but it is also manufactured there in accordance with the principle of one man, one engine. The internally named M139L engine is the world's first series production engine to be turbocharged with an electric exhaust gas turbocharger. The innovative system is a direct derivative of the technology that the Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 team has been using so successfully in the premier class of motorsport for many years. The new form of turbocharging guarantees particularly spontaneous response across the entire rev range. This leads to an even more dynamic driving experience, while at the same time increasing efficiency. In the 2.0-liter four-cylinder inline engine, innovative technology helps the Mercedes-AMG C43 4MATIC to achieve a rated output of 300 kilowatts, 408 horsepower, at 6,750 revolutions per minute. The maximum torque of 500 Newton-meters is available at 5,000 revolutions per minute. Depending on the situation, the system also briefly provides an additional boost of 10 kilowatts, 14 horsepower, through the belt-driven starter generator, RSG. The second-generation RSG acts as a mild hybrid, providing this temporary power boost as well as functions such as gliding and recuperation for maximum efficiency. At the same time, the 48-volt technology also increases comfort, as the transitions between the start-stop function and the gliding mode function are almost imperceptible. The C43 4MATIC Saloon accelerates from a standstill to 100 km per hour in just 4.6 seconds, while the C43 Estate takes only slightly longer for the same exercise, at 4.7 seconds. The top speed is electronically limited at 250 km per hour in both models. By adding the optional AMG drivers package, it can be raised to 265 km per hour in each case. The AMG Performance 4MATIC Permanent All-Wheel Drive features an AMG-specific torque distribution between the front and rear axles of 31 to 69%. The rear-biased configuration provides for enhanced dynamic handling, including higher lateral acceleration and improved traction when accelerating.